So finally, we have reached to an end of 2 days of this academic audit exercise, which I'm sure has helped all of us. Now we know exactly where we stand, and obviously the final feedback and input is yet awaited from the experts. So on behalf of the IQAC of the college, I again welcome the experts, Dr. Rawat, Dr. Sanjay Chakane sir, and Dr. Pabrekar for this feedback session. And without wasting much time, I invite Dr. Rawat to give his suggestions and feedback. Over to you, Rawat sir.
ओके, तुम्ही तो स्नॅप घेताय ना पण?
Yes, sir. Yes. Before we actually begin the feedback, I request all the colleagues to kindly start their videos because we want to have a group snap, which we will preserve definitely.
हे पिन केलेलं बंद करा ना, सगळ्यांचे फोटो येतील. आम्हाला पिन नंतर करा.
No, sir. She will take it in rotation. So you will be there, Bindu ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
take the snaps in rotation.
But ask everybody to put on their videos.
Yes, that's what I have requested all. Yes, most of them have done it, sir. Yeah. So Bindu ma'am, please tell us when you are going to click the snap. Yeah.
And there should be smile on the face. Why people don't smile, I don't understand.
No, that's why it is.
You don't have to pay for the smile. It is
No,
yours.
that's why we have kept it before the feedback session, sir. After the feedback, maybe the smiles will not be there on our faces.
No. Okay. युवराज, तुमचे युवराज मेलावडेने ऑनलाईन केलंय. दीपक नवले नाही, जिग्ना धारिया नाही, इफा खान, अशोक इंगळे. I think they may not be there. Anyway, if it is done, let us start.
Yes. Bindu ma'am, let us know if it is done.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. Thank you, all of you. Now, the most awaited part of this entire exercise, I request Dr. C.N. Rawal to kindly give his feedback and suggestions. Over to you, Rawal, sir.
Okay, thank you. So at the outset, let me congratulate all of you for volunteering yourself for AAA. Because volunteering for AAA and then understanding the gap and readiness to hear the critical comment needs some guts, needs some enthusiasm. So at the outset, I congratulate all of you and your principal and your IQAC coordinator for making you to face this AAA. Since last 2 days, we are interacting with all of you. And then idea of this interaction was, the basic aim was just not to assess you for one academic year, that is previous year, but to make some suggestions from the point of your fourth cycle of NAAC, which possibly will be there in the next year. So with that sole purpose, we three try to see, observe, assess, review, and validate the contribution made by each department. By and large, all the departments try to do it sincerely, barring some exceptions, wherein there are some technical issues, there are some personal issues, some family issues. But upon that, some of the department prefer to answer in departmental inputs by saying no, not applicable, as per the directives of the principal. Now, this type of the things are not expected at all when you are answering the questions, particularly being a departmental input for a AAA. So the idea was to allow you all to understand the gaps. And whenever there were presentations, it was followed by our comment, our suggestion, our observation, along with appreciation too. So many of the departments which are working. US is a multi-faculty college having UG, PG and self-financing courses, and some PG by research, some PG by papers, including research center for some of the PG courses. So naturally, it is a multidisciplinary college. When a multidisciplinary college is there, we do expect a multidisciplinary approach which is used, which is applied, which is executed, which is integrated to improve, enhance, enrich the performance of college. So that is a highlight which need to be seen, which need to be understood properly. While seeing and observing and assessing the presentations made by all of you, some of the common points which need attention is about the sequence of your presentation. See, being a teacher, we approach the classroom, we start with the syllabus, and then we use a different pedagogy, and then based on that, we evaluate the student. Along with that, we try to provide them co-curricular, extracurricular inputs, and then required facilities, services, and that all is converted into an outcome in terms of result analysis, in terms of passing percentage, in terms of their placement, in terms of their progression to higher education, that is for PG classes or for PhD classes, as the case may be. And then it is concluded by best practice. The same form, the same sequence, or I will give you an example. Criteria 1 to criteria 7 is there. So in the same sequence, if you present your departmental contribution, that will be better, that will be useful, and then there will be a sequence which will be meaningful. Second important point, so far as these presentations are concerned, your all departments are functional. They are performing. No doubt, there is a variation of efficiency. Some departments are functioning exceptionally well. Some are performing well, and some are performing near to the line of poverty. Near to the line of poverty. In economics, we use the word poverty line. So some are performing near to poverty line. Now it is natural and it is justifiable also that possibly all the department may not be able to contribute in all important factors or elements or core values. I will request all of you to visit the NAAC website to verify the NAAC manual, understand new framework of NAAC, understand the core values of the NAAC, understand the important highlights of new education policy 2021. And considering that, prepare your presentation wherein you will be focusing on, for subject, what is your contribution, for department, what is your contribution, for faculty, what is your contribution, and for college as a unit, what is your contribution. What is the common goal of all of us? The common goal of all of us is empowering our student, nurturing our student, making him competent to face the challenges of future, and to ensure that he will be absorbed by the employers for employment or for his own self-employment. So when this is the goal, naturally from that context, we have to prepare. Now there are some concern areas. One is there is a need to have 100% sincerity, irrespective of reactions, actions, and responses of college administration, management administration, or government or university. Irrespective of that, we have to perform, we have to work, and we have to provide better services to our stakeholder, that is our student. In such circumstances, I'll just only quote one example. Now we all, being a teacher, we are always due for the CAS, Career Advancement Scheme. Okay, so we prepare self-appraisal report, and based on that self-appraisal, we come to know that these are the gaps or these are the areas wherein we have not worked anything, or we want to work more. We are required to work more. In similar fashion, you please work on the department and subject and faculty and college, then your POA will be important. Barring some science faculty and barring some faculties of the arts and commerce, which are very marginal, there is a concern area of research. Research need to be carried out, maybe minor research, maybe major research, and based on primary data, maybe based on secondary data, but based on primary data, if research is carried out, then it will be more authentic and there will be good publications. There is a need to calculate individual citation index of your publication, of your department, of your faculty, of your college. For research, what is important is you have to increase the participation of students in research process. Point number one. Point number two, that you have to find out new ways and means to raise funds from outside. Dependence on college administration or management or government bodies henceforth will not be more useful. So we have to identify the resources in terms of the government, that is central government, government of India, particularly UGC, RUSA and so on. Resources from the different multinational, national companies under CSR activity. Every company has funding for under CSR and they have to spend. So they will be spending the money provided our proposal is rational, reasonable, fair, and in the larger interest of community. Now it may be for infrastructure development, it may be for conducting an activity, or it may be an extension activity, or it may be related to protection, sustenance, maintenance of environment. So the different thing, every company has different objects. So considering the company's objects, we have to give more emphasis to bring more resources under CSR from the companies. And Mumbai, being a capital city of Maharashtra and India, many companies are there, many NGOs are there, many charitable institutions are there, and then there are organizations like the private organizations, public organizations, including the clubs, etc. So from these all associations, you can try out the funding, and funding will be available in different forms, in the kinds and in cash and in for activities to be undertaken. So first important point is research, raising fund for research, increasing participation of student in research, and collecting the primary data based on data publications, and this possibly will lead in due course the authority in the respective field. I'm very happy to note that the Department of the Chemistry and some science department are performing exceptionally well. Even there are patents too. Now these are the authorities, and these authorities once are developed, naturally there will be further opportunity for you for consultation, for collaboration, and for industry sponsored research. Now this you have to do in a phased manner. This you have to do in a phased manner. Point number 2 is related to your social engagement. Your social engagement in terms of local community, in terms of student community at large, and in terms of your own human resource within the organization. You have to improve significantly by specific programs and activities to answer their queries, to resolve their issues, and to give them ease of business. That working environment you have to provide. So social engagement you can do. You can undertake some of the projects in nearby community, like solar street lighting, maybe sanitation, maybe employment, maybe developing self-help group, maybe providing them a platform for marketing their products of self-help group and so on. So like this, you have to develop the types with the local community, and that also social engagement. You are doing good work under NSS, but that is not the only adequate thing. We have to come above that. Over and above that, you have to work different things. Another important thing is your fund mobilization. In fund mobilizations, I have told you that you can approach and tap the resources of the multinational companies. And there are many organizations which are CSIR fundings are available. Council of Scientific Research is available. So these are the ready to provide you and sponsor your research projects. So funding is important. Another alarming area which required immediate your attention is in some of the subjects and in some faculties, you are decreasing strength of student. Now some of the posts are granted and you all are full-time faculty members, and decreasing strength is not advisable. So you have to chalk out a program to reach to nearby junior college with the help of presentations, with the help of some leaflets, by organizing some of the activities in nearby junior colleges who do not have senior wings, and then you have to ensure that your enrollment will increase significantly for first year. And once it is reached to first year, ensure that it will be retained up to TY. It will be retained up to TY. So decreasing strength is an alarming point. Need immediate attention, need sincere plans, and need a collective effort team you have to perform. Another important area which require your attention is majority of your student comes from Marathi medium, vernacular Marathi medium, and majority comes from the middle class and lower middle class. So naturally, you have to ensure that they will be empowered properly by providing them communication skill, by developing a English communication language or language laboratory, including the foreign languages, arrange specific programs to ensure that they will get an employment. Please do a survey of gap analysis in the market. Try to prepare a program to provide that skills to the student. Arrange mock training sessions, interview techniques to them, right from how to prepare CV to how to appear for an interview. Approach the companies, invite them into campus, prepare the student, and then ensure that they will appear in front of the companies for their candidatures and they will get suitable employment. Similarly, you have to work for self-employment also. Similarly, you have to work for self-employment. So larger chunk of the student belonging to middle class badly need your support and guidance and your counseling, not limited to academics, but even beyond academics. For their liveliness, they are largely depends on college. So you have to do this thing. Another area is that being a multi-faculty college, you can do interdisciplinary, subject to subject collaboration, department to department collaboration, and faculty to faculty collaborations. Collaborations with outside industries, collaborations with outside institutions and other colleges you can do. Please ensure that when you will do this or any activity when you will implement, it need to be output oriented activity. To measure the success or achievement of the activity after completion, and then accordingly you have to revise your programs. As I told you that please refer to core values, please refer to the new framework of the NAC, please refer to new education policy, and then prepare the plan of action. And now this plan of action need to be rigorously implemented and need to be revised to tune with the time and technology. Now, more use of the ICT is highly appreciated and there is a scope for that. I will conclude by saying what college is doing for me or what government is doing for me. Above that, what I am doing for the college, I am doing for my students is more material. And that only will give you the peace. That only will improve your level of satisfaction. So we have to perform, we have to act, we have to provide, and we have to submit our proposals, our services in the larger interest of community, and that we can do. आपल्या सगळ्यांकडे क्षमता आहे, आपल्या सगळ्यांकडे सजगता आहे, आपल्या सगळ्यांकडे मर्यादित का होईना पण आपल्याकडे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर उपलब्ध आहे. त्या सगळ्यांचा योग्य वापर करून जास्तीत जास्त आपण आपल्याकडनं देण्याचा आपण प्रयत्न करूया. दिल्याने काही कमी होत नाही, दिल्याने उलट वाढतच असतं. त्यामुळे आपला पर्सनल इगो, आपले पर्सनल ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मधले हेवे दावे हे सगळं आपण बाजूला ठेवूया आणि टीम म्हणून आपण परफॉर्म करूया. आणि मला असं वाटतं की तुम्ही ते चांगलं करू शकाल. मुंबईतलं एक प्रतिथयश कॉलेज ज्याला एक इतिहास आहे, त्या इतिहासावर विसंबून न राहता एक आपण नवा इतिहास तयार करूया. आणि नवा इतिहास तयार करणं केवळ आपल्या हातामध्ये आहे आणि ते आपण सहज करू शकतो. आणि मला असं वाटते आपल्याला ते करता येईल. या निमित्ताने आपल्या सगळ्यांना कल्पना आली आहे की आपल्या डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये, आपल्या सब्जेक्टमध्ये, आपल्या फॅकल्टीमध्ये कुठे कुठे उणिवा आहेत, कमतरता आहेत, सगळ्यांच्याच असतात. आधी ए प्लस कॉलेज म्हटलं तरी तिथे लिमिटेशन, विकनेसेस असतात, सगळीकडेच असतात. पण त्याची आपल्याला आता जाणीव झालेली आहे, तर त्याच्यावर आपण वेळेच उपाय करूया. म्हणजे मग आपल्या कोणालाही होम क्वारंटाईन होता येणार नाही. ती वेळ आपल्यावर येता कामा नये. आपण आत्मनिर्भर होऊया, आपण सजग होऊया, आपण परफॉर्मिंग होऊया, आपण कॉलेजचे ऍसेट होऊया, कॉलेजची आपण लायबिलिटी कमी करूया. असा आपण जर आपला प्लॅन केला तर निश्चितच आपल्याला चांगलं यश मिळेल. आम्ही प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटला इनपुट दिलेले आहेत, कुठे कमी आहेत, कुठे उणीवा आहे तेही सांगितलंय, काय करायला पाहिजे हेही सांगितलेलं आहे. आता करणं आपल्या हातात आहे. मराठीमध्ये आपण असं म्हणतो की घोड्याला पाणी पाजता येतं पण पाण्यापर्यंत त्याला नेता येतं, पाणी पाजता येत नाही. तर आम्ही आता तुम्हाला पाण्यापर्यंत नेलेलं आहे, पाणी तुम्हालाच प्यायचंय आणि ते तुम्ही योग्य प्रकारे गाळून प्याल अशी आम्हाला पूर्ण खात्री आहे. आणि तुमच्या सर्व प्रयत्नांना आमच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद. ओव्हर टू डॉक्टर मंजुषा.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Rawar, for your valuable inputs and suggestions. And definitely we will implement whatever suggestions are given by you and try to excel in our mission. Now I request Dr.
Thank you.
Sanjay Sakne. Now
Yes.
I request Dr.
Thank you.
Sanjay Sakne
Thank you,
to
madam.
give his feedback.
किती वेळ बोलू? एक 6-7 मिनिटं.
Yes, 10 minutes also will do, 10-15 minutes.
ओके. मला वाटतं डॉक्टर रावळ सरांनी इतकं विस्तृत सांगितलंय की आता फार डोस पाजायची गरज नाही असं दिसतंय. कारण त्यांचा बीएमसीसीचा डोस म्हणजे त्यांनी त्यांचा फिजिकल डायरेक्टर मुंबई विद्यापीठाला डोनेट केला. मुंबई विद्यापीठाचे जे फिजिकल डायरेक्टर आहेत ते पूर्वी बीएमसीसीला रावळ सरांकडे होते. शेवटचं प्रेझेंटेशन फिजिकलचं होतं, फिजिकल एज्युकेशनचं होतं म्हणून उल्लेख केला. मित्रहो, अतिशय चांगली प्रेझेंटेशन सगळ्यांची झाली. फक्त आता काय आहे की गुडी गुडी बोलण्यात मजा नाही. मजा कशात आहे तर नॅक मध्ये आपल्याला जेव्हा चांगली ग्रेड मिळेल त्यावेळी खरं तर खऱ्या अर्थाने चांगलं आपल्याला दिसेल. आता ह्या सगळ्या याच्यात कुठे म्हणजे चांगलं चांगलं सगळं सांगत बसण्यापेक्षा लॅक्युनाच काय काय आहेत त्याच्यावर मी थोडा भर देतो. सगळ्यात महत्वाचं काय की हार्मनी म्हणून जे काही लागतं ते थोडं मिसिंग वाटलं. म्हणजे काही डिपार्टमेंट हँड इन हँड खूप छान आहे, पण काही डिपार्टमेंट एकमेकाकडे बघत नाही. हे आता हे इतकं सोपं नसतं, कुठल्याच कॉलेजमध्ये नसतं. पण मग ह्यासाठी एखादी ऍक्टिव्हिटी करायला लागते. मी माझ्यातला मी काढून बोलतोय. आमच्याकडे आम्ही एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी केली होती. ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी तिचं नाव होतं समर्थ भारत अभियान. आम्ही 20 गावं दत्तक घेतलेली आहेत आणि ह्या अर्थात ती उन्नत भारत अभियानच्या अंतर्गत आहे. नंतरच्या काळात उन्नत भारत अभियान त्याला म्हणायला सुरुवात झाली. माझा आवाज येतोय ना?
येस सर, येतोय आवाज तुमचा.
आवाज येतोय ना माझा?
हो येतोय सर.
ओके. ती उन्नत भारत, ओके, थँक्यू. उन्नत भारत अभियान हे नंतरच्या काळात आलं, पण आम्ही त्याला समर्थ भारत अभियान असं नाव दिलं होतं. हे कशासाठी होतं? उदाहरणार्थ तुम्ही त्या NSSचं शिबिर एका गावामध्ये घेता, पण मग ते इट बिकम्स ओनली त्या 2 किंवा 3 कार्यक्रम अधिकाऱ्यांची जबाबदारी होऊन बसते. इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंट त्यात इन्व्हॉल्व्ह झालं तर अर्थात दिसतं तेवढं सोपं नसतं. कारण फिजिक्सचा माणूस म्हणणार माझा काय रोल आहे NSSशी, आणि म्हणजे एखादी ऍक्टिव्हिटी असेल तर एखादा प्राध्यापक असं म्हणतो की मी माझी मुलं त्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीला सोडणार नाही कारण माझी प्रॅक्टिकल्स, माझं प्रॅक्टिकल सोडून जर NSSला गेलात तर तुम्हाला नापास करीन. अर्थात तुमच्याकडे असं कोणी नसेलही कदाचित, पण जर असेल तर मग कुठेतरी म्हणून ती हार्मनी म्हणून मी जे म्हणतोय ना ते त्या अर्थाने म्हणतोय की एखादी ऍक्टिव्हिटी कॉलेजची जेव्हा असते तेव्हा आपण सगळ्यांनी जीव तोडून जर केलं तर ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी फ्लरिश होते. आणि यालाच म्हणजे इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी इंटर सब्जेक्ट किंवा इंटर फॅकल्टी म्हणणं सोपं आहे, पण जेव्हा इम्प्लिमेंटेशनचा इश्यू येतो, मी उदाहरण देतो, बॉटनी आणि झूनी एकत्र सहल काढली आहे कोडाई कॅनलला किंवा आणखीन कोकण किनाऱ्यांवर दापोलीच्या कॉलेजला, तर हे जास्त हायलाइट करता आलं पाहिजे की नॉट ओनली बॉटनी अँड झू ओनली. खरं तर तिथं फिजिक्सच्या मुलांना पण नेता आलं पाहिजे, तिथं केमिस्ट्रीची पण मुलं गेली पाहिजे, ओव्हरऑल सायन्सची मुलं जर गेली आणि मग त्या एका ट्रिपमध्येच की फिजिक्सचा रोल इथे काय आहे की अलिबागला ते वेदर स्टेशन आहे ते दाखवलं, पुढे गेलो तिथं अलिबागलाच हे दाखवलं, समथिंग लाईक दॅट. यू कॅन कुक युअर ओन स्टोरी, मगाशी मी म्हणालो तसं. आम्ही ह्या 20 गावांमध्ये काय केलं तर प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटनी त्यांचा रोल प्ले केला. यासाठी आम्हाला UGCनी प्रचंड मोठं फंडिंग दिलं. इट हॅज गॉन अप टू 1 crore टोटल. आम्ही डिपार्टमेंट वाईज आणि एकत्र अशी प्रपोजल्स केली होती आणि मॅक्झिमम 17 लाख एका डिपार्टमेंटला म्हणजे इंडिव्हिज्युअल प्राध्यापकांना मिळाली, पण ती आम्ही सगळी 1 फोकस्ड पॉइंट अशी केली होती. म्हणजे उदाहरणार्थ काय तर 20 गावांचं सॉइल, वॉटर, मिल्क टेस्टिंग असं केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंटनी केलं होतं. फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंटनी ह्या 20 गावांचं एनर्जी ऑडिट केलं होतं. म्हणजे एनर्जी ऑडिटच्या अंतर्गत हे ऑडिट झाल्यानंतर सुरुवातीला आम्ही प्रयोग कॉलेजमध्ये केला आणि 25 लाख रुपयाचं आमच्याकडे हायब्रिड पॉवर स्टेशन MNREनी, म्हणजे आम्ही फक्त प्रपोजल UGCला पाठवलं आणि आम्हाला MNREनी न मागता आम्हाला सँक्शन केले होते 25 lakhs रुपीज, जे आमच्याकडे 30 किलोवॅट एव्हरी डे असं म्हणजे 30 युनिटचं आमच्याकडे युनिट आहे जे हायब्रिड आहे, जो प्रयोग आम्ही पहिल्यांदा केला. जॉग्राफीच्या लोकांनी काय केलं, ह्या 20 गावातला GPS मदतीने GISचं मॅपिंग केलं. फिजिक्सच्या लोकांचं सांगितलं, इकॉनॉमिक्सच्या लोकांनी सोशिओ इकॉनॉमिक मेडिकल जो सर्व्हे असतो तो सर्व्हे केला. सायकोलॉजीच्या मुलांनी त्या मुलांचं करिअर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीजवर त्याचे काही सर्व्हे केले. मायक्रो झू बॉटनीच्या लोकांनी झू प्लॅंक्टॉन, मायक्रो प्लॅंक्टॉन, फायटो प्लॅंक्टॉन असे सगळे केले. फ्लोरा केला, फौना केला त्या गावातला. त्याच्यावर आमची पेटंट पण झालेली आहे. आमची एकूण 8 इंडियन पेटंट आणि 2 US पेटंट ह्या कामाच्या माध्यमातून झालेली आहेत. त्याला आम्ही पुढे मगाशी जे करके तो देखो सांगितलं, हे फक्त स्पोर्ट्स पुरतं मर्यादित न करता सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटचं ठेवलं. मगाशी मी सकाळी उल्लेख केला होता एका प्रेझेंटेशन मध्ये, की एका मुलाने सांगितलं सर मला डायोड कापून त्यातलं पीएन जंक्शन बघायचंय. तर आमचे कोणी तयार नाही होणार ना, डायोड खरं तर 70 पैसे किंमत असते. तो पोरगा शेवटी माझ्याकडे आला, ते शिक्षक माझ्याकडे आले, म्हटलं कापा, बघू द्या याला पीएन जंक्शन म्हणजे काय हे कळालेलंच नाहीये. तर लेट हिम अंडरस्टँड. त्याला मायक्रोस्कोप कडे पाठवला, म्हणजे मायक्रो डिपार्टमेंटला पाठवलं. ते नाही म्हणाले, बॉटनीवाले नाही म्हणाले, झुलॉजीवाले नाही म्हटले, पुन्हा माझ्याकडे आलं. म्हणजे गेल्यावर त्यांना सांगितलं की अरे याला बघू तर द्या, याला काय करायचंय, फक्त हा डायोड कापलेला आहे, हा डायोड मायक्रोस्कोप खाली बघायचा आहे. त्यांचे प्रश्न अनंत होते, ह्याला स्टेनिंग कसं करायचं, अनंत अनंत. म्हणजे जी काही नकार देण्याची जे काही वृत्ती असते त्याच्यामध्ये ह्या सगळ्या वृत्ती असतातच, त्याला पर्यायच नसतो. पण मग जेव्हा त्यांना कळलं, मग आम्ही रिसर्च बेस्ड पेडागॉगीकडे गेलो आणि ह्या रिसर्च बेस्ड पेडागॉगीतनं मग हे सगळं एकत्र आलं आणि मग लोकांना लक्षात आलं की अरे ही सगळी मुलं म्हणजे TYBSCच्या मधला बॉटनीचा ऍटम, फिजिक्सचा ऍटम आणि केमिस्ट्रीचा ऍटम काही वेगळे नसतात, सारखेच असतात. हे जोपर्यंत आपण मुलांना आणि सगळ्या प्राध्यापकांना सांगत नाही तोपर्यंत हे रिसर्च बेस्ड जे काही आहे ते होत नाही. सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट विषयी मी सांगत नाही, पण आमचा हा अतिशय सक्सेसफुल असा प्रयोग झालेला आहे. आम्हाला आउटरीच ऍक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये 100 आउट ऑफ 100 पहिल्या नॅकला दुसऱ्या नॅकला मिळालेले आहेत. ते एवढ्यासाठी सांगतोय की आता आता तुम्ही म्हणाल की आम्हाला 20 गावं दत्तक घेणं शक्य नाही, घेऊच नका. पण एक गाव जे घेतलेलं आहे त्या गावामध्ये आपण ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी करू शकू का? लेट मी गिव्ह यू वन ऍक्टिव्हिटी विच यू कॅन डेफिनेटली डू. की रोल ऑफ each department, rather role of your department in pandemic. असं जर एक दिवसाचं तुमच्याच कॉलेजचं एक जर सेमिनार घेतलं, वर्कशॉप घेतलं दिवसभराचं, आणि त्यात काही नाही, रिसर्च पेपर सगळ्यांनी मिळून मांडायचा. किती समजा 12 डिपार्टमेंट आहेत, 12 डिपार्टमेंटचे 12 रिसर्च पेपर येतील. रोल ऑफ इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट इन पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन, रोल ऑफ सायकोलॉजी इन पॅन्डेमिक, रोल ऑफ ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, अशी सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट्सनी जर केली आणि एक दिवसाचं हार्मनी वेगळी काय असते, ही हार्मनी याचं एक बुकलेट तयार होईल. बुकलेट काही हायफाय छापायची गरज नाही, ISBN नंबर घ्यायची गरज नाही. तुम्ही तुमचे जे आलेले आहेत तेवढेच, किंवा ई बुक छापून त्या बिंदू मॅडमनी जरी त्या वेबसाईटवर टाकलं तर इट विल गिव्ह यू मार्क्स. कारण तुम्ही इंटरलॉकिंग ज्याला म्हणतात, असं पेव्हरिंग ज्याला म्हणतात, तसं एकत्र येणं ह्याला अतिशय महत्व असतं. आणि ह्या सगळ्या याच्यातनं एकदा का एकत्र आलं ना, यू कॅन विन. रावल सर जसं म्हणाले की दिस इज अ विन विन रेस. ही रेस आहे, घोड्याला पाण्यापर्यंत न्यायचं नाही. पण मग आमच्यासारखे आगाऊ काही लोक काय करतात, त्याला 4-5 दिवस उपाशी ठेवतात आणि मग घोड्याला म्हणतात पी बेटा पाणी. अर्थात तरी काही घोडे असे असतात की जे म्हणतात नाहीच प्यायचं मला पाणी, नको पिऊ बाबा. मग आता 10% पिणारच नसतील तर उरलेल्या 90%वर पुढे जाणं, याच्या पलीकडे काहीच नसतं. आपण त्या 10% तर नाही ना, एवढा जर विचार केला तर मला वाटतं आपण खूप छान हे करू शकू. प्राचार्य राठोड सर, त्याचप्रमाणे पटवर्धन मॅडम, आवरेकर सर, रावळ सर आणि अर्थातच सगळेच, या सगळ्यांनी आज आणि काल दिवसभर आपण ऐकलं त्याबद्दल तुम्हा सगळ्यांचे आभार मानतो. आणि आम्ही थोडं कदाचित माझ्याकडनं कदाचित रॅश बोललं गेलं असेल. तो हेतू दुखावणे हा नव्हता, आमच्या कोणाचाच नव्हता. तो फक्त एनकरेजिंग होता, मोटिवेटिंग होता. तुम्हाला त्याच्यातनं काहीतरी करावं हा दृष्टिकोन होता. हे सगळं सांगताना कुणाची मनं दुखावली असतील तर त्यांची माफी मागतो आणि मी इथं थांबतो. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
या थँक्यू सो मच चाकणे सर. सर मी एक सगळ्यांच्या वतीने सांगू इच्छिते की तुम्ही जे फीडबॅक तुम्ही दिलेला आहे तर डेफिनेटली ऑल ऑफ अस आर मॅच्युअर इनफ टू टेक इट इन अ पॉझिटिव्ह स्पिरिट, बिकॉज व्हॉट एव्हर यू हॅव सजेस्टेड इज फॉर अवर इम्प्रुव्हमेंट. आय मीन डेफिनेटली आमच्या करता ते चांगलं आहे आणि क्रिटिसिझम हा पाहिजेच सर, अदरवाईज तुमची प्रोग्रेस होत नाही. सो आय रिअली थँक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट टू टेक टाइम आउट. इनफॅक्ट तुम्ही आम्हाला आमचे आभार मानलेत. वी शुड बी थँकिंग यू सर, विच विल बी डेफिनेटली डुईंग ॲट द एंड ऑफ द डे. So thank you so much for your valuable suggestions once again. Now I request Dr. Pabrekar sir to give his comments and feedback. Over to you, Pabrekar sir.
मी हवाय का तुम्हाला?
Yes sir, definitely.
Thank you, because my colleagues both have done a very wonderful job. Principal Rawal, as usual, opening batsman and a person to whom we respect. Of course, myself and Sakane respect Dr. Rawal very nicely, and I do respect. Of course, we respect one another, but then there is a way of the way analytical approach which has been, the way it has been said and mentioned by both the principals. It is really to be taken in positive manner. I think I have jotted down some points. Some of the points have been already been covered by, because even though we don't meet, but we think alike, and therefore there is a proper combination. Understanding without discussion, when all points come together, that indicates that all of us are thinking on the same line, and that is what is required even in the in your college. You in your college, you have got only 37 people total, right? Right now, when I see there are only 41 on the board, out of that minus three outsiders, so it is 38, right? 38 people coming together, it should not be a big number. It is a very small number. I don't know why. Sometimes I really don't understand why people fight, why people cry, why people have different kind of approach and jealousy. When we are working in a platform under the banner of our own college, Bhavans Hajarimal Somani College, the moment you say that, when you mention that I am so and so, your identity is revealed as a professor, as associate, whatever, is because of that college. I think I've been always telling that I'm a retired principal. I never say that I'm Principal Babrekar. I had to at most say that I'm a former principal of so and so college. So long as you are attached to that given institution, आपण आपल्या माध्यमातून काय करू शकतो का आणि काय केलं का, इतरांनी आपल्यासाठी काय केल्यापेक्षा आपण उद्या आफ्टर द जॉब इज ओव्हर, बिकॉज इन वन डे वी आर गोइंग टू रिटायर, right? And after retirement, you should not feel, because it's that stage comes in life that when you go and come back, see back to your life, what was done by you. I don't want my colleagues, my good teachers who are intellectual class of society should not have that kind of repentation in mind that अरे मी केलंच नाही काही, हे करायला पाहिजे होतं, किंवा I was having an opportunity but I could not do it. So that kind of thing should not come to your mind. Anyway, my some suggestions that entire for the entire college, that please focus on with the IQAC. You have to identify the learning outcomes of every department, write down the program outcomes, course outcomes, specific program outcomes, and publish it. When I say publish it, it should be published on their website, on the college website, college notice board. The students should know, because NAG emphasizes today totally on what is your program outcome, and that plays a very important role. So that is a role of IQAC coordinator and IQAC team. So ask every department to write their program outcomes, course outcomes, and PSOs, so that then you can take it in your IQAC committee meeting, then give it to board of governors or managing accounting and let it come. Because students should know what are they studying for, what is expected that when they become graduate in subject of sociology or chemistry and whatever, right? Please focus on some efforts taken by every department on the placement of the student. Don't teach them on the syllabus. Placement plays a matter of role, because now we are in a different era. The establishment of NAC was 25 years back, 1994, more than that now. And 1990, the first college in Maharashtra was assessed and accredited, which from the college which is known as Vajay Kedkar College, where I belong to. So I know the fourth cycle of Vajay Kedkar College, and I was lucky that I could learn. Since 1998, we have been discussing a lot on NAC, and therefore we have some kind of I don't say right, but some little more experience in which we are sharing with you. Then every department should also focus on career counseling, right? There is a proper way by which the student should be known about what is the careers in their own subject, careers in chemistry, careers in sociology and whatnot. So that should be, even if you, Madam Manjusha, if you can get even the chart written by this very department, getting it in the soft form, publish it on your college website. Nothing wrong. It's a good kind of thing. That will be a unique kind of thing, that you are making students to aware the careers available after their BA in sociology or so whatever, right? Then special efforts taken by every department on the student progression, because nobody has bothered for progression. बच्चे हमारे एग्जाम को बैठे, पास हो गए, निकल गए, we don't know whether they are doing their, some of them might have done their LLB, some of them might have done MA, MCom, they might have gone to, and unfortunate part is that because most of your arts faculty subjects are not having 6 units, you are losing good students, and they are doing wonders by bringing a knowledge to other colleges. आप उनको बना रहे अच्छे, उनका बेस अच्छा बना रहे हैं, and then you are giving the other college ready-made product, talented students. So principal of the college requested to ensure that if not all, at least some important subject like economics, sociology and all, you must have 6 units, and that will be beginning of that. Because Mind well, your NAC is going to ask you that last 2 terms of NAC, you have been working on the same kind of thing, right? Only establishment of one department and expanding that, no. So this kind of thing has to be taken care, right? Then, as Dr. Rawal was pointed out already, please focus on some certificate programs which is useful for all the students and the non-teaching staff, soft skill programs, ICT and thing, and spoken English, CV writing, interview techniques, etc. So this kind of thing you have to do. Please form a separate kind of thing and see that it is being done. Then strengthening your alumni association is very important. I do not know whether you have got alumni register or not, but see that if it's not registered, see that it's registered. Every department can also have a separate alumni association, and the entire alumni or departments working, coming brought together. You can have your college alumni association. Alumni can do wonders. Please see, it is not a contribution of alumni only in terms of money. They can be invited, they can be called, they can share the knowledge. They can, if they have got industry, they can be used for placement. They can be used for awareness kind of thing and many things, right? Then I specifically I'm talking about language department should come together and should define or design one program called as certificate program, means certificate course in translation, right? Translation, English to Marathi, Marathi to Hindi, whatever. But then you should do something. How? What is? It is very important, right? Then Madam Manjusha, you are not presented anything about cultural activity today, right? Anyway, that is all right, but we can do it later also. But
Yes,
then,
sir.
yeah, please, you want to say something?
Yeah, sir. In the next round, we are going to have IQSC presentation
Yeah, because
and
cultural
activities.
cultural competition or cultural activities and bone and basically for the students,
Right,
right?
sir. Right.
Where you can showcase their talents,
Yeah.
right? So I
Right.
want that to be focused on such a way that because the students have got different kind of art, knowledge, debate, expertise, they have
Right,
got
sir.
different perception altogether. Because then there is the only platform, something for the non-teaching staff, right? What are you doing for them? Identify that. It is helping their wards, guiding their wards. Because you don't look at them only as an only, they're also human being, right? Don't look them as a he's an attendant, he's a peon, he's such and such, he's a watchman and whatnot. That is not, they are a integral part of your development. एक ध्यान में रखिए, अगर first the peon which is or the attendant coming on the very first in the morning to open the college, if he doesn't come at all, who is going to open the college? If a sweeper or cleaner don't come to cleaning the toilets and all, who will clean the things? So don't underestimate them. Everybody is doing their role, and that is to be taken. And therefore, what are you doing for them? Is also that is called as acceptance, social responsibility on that. Research for
Right.
students has to be taken the proper care. Emphasize and focus on that. What efforts you are taking, and that should be reflected. Then, then which I was mentioning about strategies for the starting of the majors at TY level, especially on the arts kind of faculty. I have many things to say because I think I'll be always constantly interacting with you, and there are a number of things. What is left out is the IQC department, some activity departments. Then there are some statutory bodies has to be very important part. I know that I'm talking to all the intellectual class of society, coming from a good college, coming from good family, with good approach, with good knowledge, and with good vision. I want to say only one thing, that nobody is working for anybody. We are working together for the institution. When we are a part of the institution, NAC is not a requirement for a principal of the college or not required only by the management. It is the requirement of the all stakeholders. So it is a sole responsibility of the entire management, starting from manage. I just a minute. I'll call you after some time. Busy in some program. Yeah. I'm sorry, I was having an urgent call. So anyway, so I said total responsibility of all stakeholders undergoing for the NAC. If you are done your first NAC, you know which year, you know the scale, you know the output given by the NAC committee. You are done second cycle, same thing, right? They are given observation, what you have done on that, focus on that. Then what you have done in the last 5 years, identify that, identify your strengths, right? And whatever is weakness, convert that weakness into strength, convert opportunities into good kind of things. So this is possible, everything is possible. We are, it is always said, aspire for attainable, you shall attain it. right? So every subject, every department, every activity is contributing. It is not what we say, the crown only always goes to the principal head. No, we do. It's all right. No problem. Let principal have the crown because he's the principal. But at least we can be, see today, even though I left Kelkar Valley College in the year 1915, I mean 2015, I'm still happy. I still own that college. And even that entire college owns me. They say, no, Pabrekar sir, aap hamare hain. So this kind of approach is to be there. What we have done for the development of an institution is more important. Or it is always said, केल्याने होता है रे आधी केलेजी पाहिजे. We can do a lot of things. There are a number of good people. There are very few people. See that आपण काय करतो कधी कधी कळत न कळत माणसं दुखावले जातात, राईट? सो ट्राय टू ओव्हरकम दॅट. भावना आणि हृदय भरून आले, किती दयांचे नयनात अश्रू झाले, मुख काही हृदयात विरून गेल्या, किती थोड्या भावगीत झाल्या. वाय? So it is all, everybody is human being, everybody is having their own heart, everything. It is a requirement that let us join hands for the development institution, and I think it is possible that you all can do a lot of things. And I believe that I personally feel that if I taken the challenge of helping your college, I want your college to be A-graded minimum, right? But that is
Yes.
possible only when all of you join hands together. I alone cannot do. I am only a motivator, inspirer, or I can only guide you, do things. Principal alone cannot do anything, or IQC alone cannot do anything. So it is everybody. Everybody is required. Everybody is involved. Everybody can join, and joining, having that joint hand is the strength, right? That strength is power, and power becomes a knowledge. Normally, we see everybody is knowledgeable. So it is always said, knowledge is power. And if that power is being used properly, I think we can bring a lot of things in our own institution. So with these small things, I submit. Thank you very much for patience hearing. I know that we are not here to educate anybody, only to be a part. We are also all teachers. We are still working, and we are happy to be with you. Why we should sit in front of you for more than 10 hours and 8 hours a day? Is only because of our commitment. That yes, we feel that we wanted to give whatever experience we have, is we are trying to give it to you. With this, thank you very much and wish you all the best. Everybody enjoy and be happy always.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pabrekar, for your valuable feedback. Now I request our respected principal, Professor Dr. S.V. Rathod, to give concluding remarks. Over to you, Rathod sir. Sir, you have to unmute yourself.
Thank you, Manjusha madam. Good afternoon, one and all. Now we have come to the end of 2 days academic audit for the academic year 1920. Friends, we have started this academic audit program from yesterday morning 9 o'clock. In the morning session, we have completed all the commerce faculty and commerce department. Then in the afternoon session, we have completed all the science departments, and it went up to around 4:30. Then today morning at 9:30, we have started with humanity departments, followed by library sessions and Gymkhana and NSS department. Apart from these departments, still statutory bodies, then IQAC, internal quality, CWDC, these statutory bodies events are still left. And apart from that, administrative office is also left. So these departments and administrative office audit we are planning to have in the first week of May, or maybe as per the availability of the resource persons. Whatever the feedback has given by all three resource persons, here, sir, I want to assure you, my all the departmental colleagues, head of the departments, as well as the senior most teacher in the departments, they have done their best, and they have presented their departmental outputs. And I am sure, sir, this is for the first time we are going for the academic audit. Actually, now I am realizing that we should have gone this at least 1 year before, so that the maximum input should have got my colleagues or my departments, and we could have done in a better manner. But still, as Rawal sir rightly said, still we are having the time. Apart from that, whatever the advice has given by Rawal sir, that is Atmanirbhar. सर, निश्चित मी तुम्हाला ऍश्युरन्स देतो माझ्या सर्व स्टाफ मेंबर कडून किंवा माझ्या कलिग कडून, की आम्ही सगळे तुम्ही जे काही दिलेले आउटपुट्स आहेत ते निश्चितपणे आम्ही त्या आउटपुट्सचा विचार करू आणि इनपुटचा विचार करू आणि निश्चित आम्ही चांगल्या प्रकारे काम करू अशी मी तुम्हाला ग्वाही देतो. अँड तुम्ही रावळ सर, चाकणे सर आणि पाबरेकर सर 2 दिवसापासून सतत प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंट, प्रत्येक स्टाफ मेंबरचे कंटिन्युअस फीडबॅक देत गेलेले आहेत. त्याबद्दल खरंच मी भवन्स हजारीमल कॉलेजचा प्रिन्सिपल म्हणून मी तुम्हा सर्वांना तिघांना धन्यवाद देतो. आणि तुम्ही जे इनपुट्स आम्हाला दिले गेलेले आहेत ते सगळे इनपुट्स आमचे सगळे कलिग लोक आम्ही सगळे एकत्र येऊन हँड टू हँड फुट टुगेदर करून आम्ही एकत्र काम करू अशी ग्वाही देतो. आणि भविष्यामध्ये जेव्हा जेव्हा आम्हाला तुमची गरज लागेल, मदत लागेल नॅक साठी किंवा AAA साठी, तेव्हा निश्चित जेव्हा आम्ही तुम्हाला हाक देऊ त्यावेळेला तुम्ही आमच्या मदतीला राहू शकाल अशी मी असं गृहीत धरतो. आणि तुम्हा सर्वांना मी पूर्ण कॉलेजच्या वतीनं आणि माझ्या मॅनेजमेंटच्या वतीनं मी धन्यवाद देतो. आणि मंजुषा मॅडमला मी विनवणी करतो की व्होट ऑफ थँक्स द्या.
Yes, thank you, Principal Sir. As the IQAC coordinator, I would like to propose a formal vote of thanks. On behalf of the IQAC of the college, I sincerely thank all the experts, Dr. C.N. Rawal sir, Dr. Sanjay Sakane sir, and Dr. P.N. Pabrekar sir for their valuable inputs and for spending their valuable time with us. I know sitting in front of the laptop for 8 continuous hours on 2 days, it's really very tiring and taxing. Plus, you have to be alert all the time to listen to whatever the colleagues were saying. So I really appreciate your efforts for helping us out. And I sincerely thank all three of you from the bottom of my heart. I would also like to thank all my colleagues from various departments of arts, science, commerce, and self-financing departments. Without your cooperation, this academic audit exercise would not have been possible. I really appreciate the efforts taken by all of you in making your PPTs and submitting it well on time. Also your departmental reports, and I expect the same kind of cooperation from all of you. Obviously till we complete our NAC assessment. One more thing, as Principal Sir has already said, we will have one more round of administrative audit and activity audit, plus the audit of all the statutory bodies. So this is not the end. Don't think so now this is the end and we can relax. In fact, I would say this is the beginning, and now we have to gear up for the NAC visit and work on all the suggestions given by our respected experts. So again, once I would like to thank all the colleagues of mine for taking their efforts to present their departments in front of the experts. And I expect the same kind of cooperation from all of you till we go in for the NAC visit. So thank you one and all. And
Thank you.
we will,
Thank you,
yes,
madam.
Thank you.
thank you so much, sir. And
All
we
the
will
best.
meet soon. Thank you. We will meet soon in the next round of academic audit, maybe in the first or second week of May maximum. So thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. Thank you, Rawal sir, Sakane sir.
थँक यू सर.
Good day.
Yes,
Pabrekar sir,
Rathod sir,
thank
thank
you.
you. Thank you all colleagues of the Bhavans College. Thank you very much, everybody from Bhavans College.
Thank
Sir,
you.
we also,
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Each
Thank you,
one
sir.
of us also thanks
Thank you, sir.
For
Thank you very
giving
much,
us
sir.
such valuable inputs and suggestions to improve ourselves and our college. So
Thank you.
thank
Thank you
you
all and all the
all
best.
of you, all three of you, thank you so much for being with
एकदा
us.
पॅन्डेमिक
Thank
संपलं
you,
की
bye
मी
bye.
येणार आहे कॉलेजमध्ये.
Yes,
बाबा
sir,
कदम
yes.
साहेब आहेत का? बाबा कदम आहेत का?
Baba Patil, sir.
बाबा पाटील आहेत का?
हॅलो सर.
हा, मी येणार आहे
बोलू का?
कॉलेजमध्ये.
अवश्य या सर, स्वागत आहे आपलं.
कवितांचा कार्यक्रम करूया
करोनाला
आपण.
घाबरायचं नाही.
नाही नाही,
करोनाला
correct.
घाबरायचं नाही, तरी पण आपण भेट.
नक्की नक्की
करेक्ट.
करू.
राईट. ओके, चलो बाय. थँक्यू
Thank
व्हेरी
you
मच.
so much, sir. Thank you so much.
थँक्यू.
Okay, thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Just a kind reminder to all the colleagues, those who are noting down the suggestions given by the experts, please forward them to me by Sunday maximum, in 2 days time, because we have to forward these suggestions to the experts, on the basis of which they are going to give us our written feedback. So that is one request from me, that please give your write-ups pertaining to the suggestions and send it to IQSC institutional mail in 2 days time. Thank you all. Principal sir, anything else?
No, nothing.
Shall we close the meeting then?
So everybody has left.
No,
Only I think-
anybody wants to say anything? The colleagues would like to share their experiences about this exercise.
Merchant madam,
Yes, sir.
as being a senior most teacher, I think so other teachers are also there. Manjusha madam, all the resource person they have left, no?
Yes, they have left, sir.
Merchant madam,
Yes, sir. No, of course, all the three resource persons were extremely knowledgeable and, very helpful, giving practical, implementable suggestions, which I think, some things which we are not aware,
yes.
or we should do it properly the way NAC wants it to be done. So I think this was a very, very required kind of exercise, and this being still a little informal, everybody has taken it in the right spirit. So I think this was really very useful to all of us. So we can definitely plan much better in the coming future. And as they said, everything need not be done overnight or in 1 year. So you can even put in a short-term, medium-term plans. So at least for NAC, we have something, concrete to show.
Concrete, sure.
Right.
And now one more thing, all the colleagues, whatever the suggestion this resource person they have given, if you could incorporate in the PPT which we have prepared for this academic audit 1920. So we'll keep this as a model, and then we'll go for the remaining 4 years departmental presentation. I hope that will help us. But before that, we have to prepare the proper departmental presentations of this academic year 1920, which we have prepared, and whatever the suggestion has given by the expert, if you could incorporate in that, then I think so maybe one day we all sit together again, we can go for the departmental presentation. And if we feel that because we will take the input from all the colleagues, and if we feel that something is to be added or something is to be deleted, then we can prepare the standard as a benchmark, and then that could be used for the remaining 4 years. I hope that could be that is going to help us for our NAC.
Right.
Maru madam is there? Maru madam?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Yes, madam. Good. Can you give any inputs, madam?
Martin madam has already given. I can talk about my department and all the science departments. We have to be united.
Yes.
It is very important. And by the expert comments, I have come to know about weaknesses of my department. I would definitely like to improve myself. And I would rather seek the support from other science departments as well as the arts and commerce departments too.
Yes, madam, that is very much needed because this expert team, they have focused on the hand-to-hand collaboration. I think so. English, sociology, psychology departments, they are doing the collaborative work with other colleges, and they are working hand-to-hand together. So such type of events, even we can arrange our interdisciplinary, or you can say multidisciplinary department. If they come together, we can do something definitely which is going to give the positive feedback towards our institution as well as for the NAC. और कौन है बाबा? And as Rawal sir rightly said, this is a teamwork. We have to come together, forget whatever the differences are there, keep the differences aside. And if we go like that, then definitely we will reach to our goal. कोण आहे का अजून? अशोक राव, I could see
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir. I am there.
काही सांगू शकाल का?
Yes, sir. This was academic one was very helpful to all of us. Because of the audit, we know where we stand. And after you give the suggestions, we'll try to accept all your suggestions and follow to improve our college, sir. This will benefit all departments, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. डॉक्टर शांतस,
येस सर बोला.
अरे काय बाबा, कुठं बसलायस तू?
आहे सर, बसलाय घरी बसलाय.
बोला बोला बोला, चमकतोय मस्तपैकी. चला, काही सांगू शकाल का साहेब?
सांगायला खूप काही आहे. आता लिमिटेड वेळात आपण कामाचं
काही सांगायचं नाहीये, फक्त नॅक आणि बेनिफिट ऑफ
संबंधी बोलायला भरपूर काही आहे सर. वेल, मी तुम्हाला तसं पर्सनल व्ह्यूज पण दिलेले आहेत. बट एनिवे, आपण सगळ्यांनी एकत्र काम करावं. एकत्र कसं यावं याच्यावर पण आपलं लक्ष गेलं पाहिजे. कसं करता येईल हे पण लक्ष दिलं पाहिजे. सिनियर लोकांचा काय उपयोग कसा होईल हे बघितलं पाहिजे.
म्हणून तर साहेब सिनियर लोकांकडे मी ऍडवाइस,
माझा ऍडवाइस देतो. तुम्ही म्हणत नाही ऍडवाइस देतो, तर मी ऍडवाइस देत नाही. संपला.
नाही, मी म्हणून तर सांगितलं सिनियर लोकांना घेतलं.
तसं आहे, म्हणजे एव्हरी पर्सन इज रिसोर्सफुल.
Yes, yes, definitely, sir.
As a good leadership quality, we should see to it that how that person can be utilized in the best possible way. His potential and his experience needs to be exploited, extracted, and utilized well. Number one. As far as my department is concerned, we are.
Shanta sir, yes, Shanta sir, please talk about the college now. Individual department, please. All of you, please keep aside individual department. Only now we have to come together. How to come together? How to put the hands to hand together? How to work for the betterment of institution? That please you speak.
Yes, that is my focus, sir. Always.
Yes.
From the moment I have joined the college. Yes. So point is, now I am speaking only for the department. My department is doing well. That is my understanding, and as I understand from the views of the resource person. There are some points where we can work out our corporate social responsibility, reaching the farthest end, further good innovations in research which are on, but which could be applicable to the society. So we are working on that, and I hope with my team I will surge ahead, taking all my colleagues and my departments in a very cohesive manner. So that is my approach, and it will be followed, implemented. Thank you.
Okay. बाबा आहे का? बाबा पाटील
आहे मी.
हा बोला साहेब.
पांढरेकर सर, नाचणे सर आणि रावळ सर त्यांनी फार चांगल्या प्रकारे मार्गदर्शन केलं, सजेशन्स केलं. लिडरशिप कशी असावी याचं उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण म्हणजे ही तिन्ही व्यक्ती आहेत. सर म्हणाले म्हणजे पाब्रेकर सर आणि रावळ सर की घोड्याचा लगाम धरून त्याला चालवत नेत आहेत, त्याला तळ्याच्या काठावर पण नेत आहेत, पण त्याला पाणी नाही पाजता येत. कारण तहान लागली तर त्याने प्यायचं असतं स्वतः. त्यावेळी बरेच लोकांचे चेहरे फुलले वगैरे. चांगली गोष्ट आहे. काही पण नाही उदाहरण चांगले दिलं सरांनी. बरोबर आहे सर. ज्याला मी काय म्हणतो, ज्याला तहान लागली तर त्या पाणी त्यानंच प्यायचं असते, दुसऱ्याने पाजून काही तहान भागत नाही. ही तर वस्तुस्थिती आहे. नॅकच्या संदर्भात पुन्हा तिन्ही सरांनी असं सांगितलं, तिन्ही वक्त्यांनी, की नॅक म्हणजे काही नुसतं प्रिन्सिपल नाही किंवा नॅक म्हणजे काही नुसतं IQAC नाहीये. तर हे सगळ्यात कॉलेज मिळून जे काही तुम्ही कराल वर्क, त्याचं फळ म्हणजे नॅकचं ग्रेड आहे. असं पण सर बोलले. त्याच्यामुळे आपापल्या विषयाच्या संदर्भात काय करायचं, कसं प्रेझेंटेशन करायचं, हे प्रत्येक विषयाच्या प्राध्यापकांनी किंवा हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंटनी ते करायचं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे कॉलेजमध्ये एकंदरीत मला त्यांच्या व्यक्तिमत्वाचे जाणवलं, त्यांच्या नेतृत्वाचे जे गुण जाणवले, त्याच्यामध्ये जोपर्यंत तुम्ही सगळ्यांना सोबत घेऊन जाणार नाही किंवा जोपर्यंत तुम्ही सगळ्यांना समजून घेणार नाही, तोपर्यंत आपण त्या माणसांकडून काय करून घ्यायचं, कसं करून घ्यायचं, हे जोपर्यंत आपण आपल्या मनामध्ये काही किलमिश ठेवून जर आपण तसा प्रयत्न केला तर ते आपल्याला कधीच हस्तगत होणार नाही. आणि म्हणून मला असं वाटतं की या तिन्ही व्यक्तींनी नॅकला सामोरे जात असताना प्रत्येकाने काय करायला पाहिजे, काय चुका केल्या, काय दुरुस्ती करायला पाहिजे, यासाठी त्यांनी सजेशन पण दिलं, चांगल्या प्रकारचं मार्गदर्शन पण दिलं. ते प्रत्येकाने लक्षात ठेवावं. आपल्यात काही अपूर्णता असेल ते त्यांनी दाखवलेली आहे, ती आपण पूर्ण करावी, जेणेकरून आपल्या डिपार्टमेंट बद्दलचं जे काही प्रेझेंटेशन असेल ते चांगल्या प्रकारचं व्हावं, जेणेकरून त्याचा नॅकला फायदा झाला पाहिजे. आणि माझे एवढे सुरुवातीला पासून माझं कधी काही प्रश्न म्हणजे पर्सनल काही जरी असलं तरी कॉलेजच्या संदर्भात माझं दुमत नाहीये. आम्ही जोपर्यंत समजून घेत नाही एकमेकाला, कारण न समजून घेणं हाच खरा अडथळा आहे. आणि आज मला असं बोलावंसं वाटतं की आता लागलेले पोरं, हे 3-3, 4-4 वर्षापूर्वी लागलेले पोरं प्रोफेसर आहेत, पण आमच्यासारख्या सिनियर माणसाच्या संदर्भामध्ये जेव्हा ते वक्तव्य करतात, अत्यंत लाजिरवाणी गोष्ट आहे आमच्यासारखे सिनियर माणसाला. आणि ज्यांनी कोणी आमच्याबद्दल त्याला सांगितलं असेल त्या प्रोफेसरला, तो माणूस किती खालच्या स्तरावरचा असला पाहिजे याची कल्पना आहे. तर नाव मी घेणार नाही त्यात. पाटील सर मला बोलू द्या, मला
एक मिनिट पाटील सर,
ऐका तुम्ही,
एक मिनिट जरा ऐका.
बाबा पाटील सारखा आज रिटायर व्हायला आलेला माणूस 2 वर्षांनी जो रिटायर होणार आहे,
जरा ऐकताय का?
बाबा पाटीलला काय समजते,
पाटील सर
अंगोरेला काय समजते, नलावडे कसा आहे हे कसं माहित आहे, शांतच देशभक्ताची लायकी काय आहे हे त्याला कोणाला माहित आहे, अशोक इंगळे काय करतो किंवा इंगळेची क्वालिटी काय आहे, हे आता आलेलं 2-3 वर्षापूर्वी लागलेला पोरगा जर आमच्या अशा प्रकारचे, मला बोलू तर द्या,
एक मिनिट प्लीज
कॉमेंट करत असेल,
हॅलो
तर त्या
पाटील सर
प्राध्यापकांनी काय करायचं?
जरा ऐकताय का? पाटील सर प्लीज जरा ऐकून घ्या. आपण आता सध्या हा विषय काढत नाहीये. आपल्याला आता जे आपले 2 दिवसाचं अकॅडमिक ऑडिट झालेलं आहे साहेब, त्याच्या संदर्भामध्ये तुमच्याकडनं आम्हाला सल्ला पाहिजे की ह्या अकॅडमिक ऑडिटच्या बद्दल. बाकीच्या गोष्टी आता सध्या आपल्याला हा प्लॅटफॉर्म नाहीये.
जेव्हा आम्ही युनिटीची गोष्ट करतो, मी
पाटील सर
तेच तिन्ही वक्ते तेच बोलले ना की तुम्हाला युनिटी करायची आहे, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना सोबत घेऊन जायचं आहे,
आणि जर तुम्ही सगळ्यांना सोबत घेऊन जर गेला तर त्याचं प्रेझेंटेशन चांगलं होईल प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटचं, आणि प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटचं प्रेझेंटेशन झालं तर त्याचं क्रेडिट कॉलेजला मिळेल, त्याचं क्रेडिट IQAC ला मिळेल, त्याचं क्रेडिट आपल्या नॅकच्या ग्रेडला मिळेल. पण माझं म्हणणं, मी जसं बोललो आता की आता लागलेले 2-3 वर्षापूर्वी लागलेले पोरं जर आमच्या बाबतीत जर असे बोलत असतील तर त्यांना कोणीतरी बोललं असेल ना त्यांच्या जवळ सिनियर पैकी.
हॅलो
ज्युनियर नाही बोलू शकत.
पाटील सर,
बोला बोला बोला.
आता फक्त आपण सध्या हा विषय इथं काढायचा नाही. आता फक्त आपण काय म्हणतोय, मी तुम्हाला या अकॅडमिक ऑडिट जो आपण कंडक्ट केलेला आहे त्यांचा फीडबॅक म्हणतोय. बाकीच्या गोष्टी तुम्ही नाहीये पाटील सर.
फीडबॅक बद्दल तर अगोदरच बोललो, माझं मत व्यक्त केलं.
फक्त फीडबॅक सांगतोय तुम्हाला, बाकीचं नाहीये. मी फक्त फीडबॅक सांगितलेलं आहे पाटील सर.
प्रिन्सिपल कॉलेजचा लीडर, प्रिन्सिपल कॉलेजचा
आपण एक काम करूया
प्रिन्सिपल सगळ्याला आपल्या सोबत घेऊन जायचं.
पाटील सर, मी थोड्या वेळाने तुम्हाला पर्सनली फोन करतो, आपण पर्सनली बोलू.
ओके ठीक आहे ठीक आहे.
अजून कोण आहे दुसऱ्यापैकी, सिनियर पैकी कोण आहे? प्रिया मॅडम इज देअर? प्रिया मित्तल मॅडम?
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Yes, I'm there, sir.
Can you give some feedback about
Yes, sir.
academic audit, madam?
Yes, sir. Of course, I think all of us have mentioned the number of valuable inputs that the experts have shared with us after every departmental presentation. Some of the very important and I think overall suggestions that are applicable to all the departments, I feel. One thing I particularly noted was, they are saying that the theoretical knowledge has to be also put into application so that the students who pass out are more suitable for the markets, for the professional environment. They can earn some livelihood through, even if they are just graduates. As graduates, when they pass out, the degree should make them employable. So that is one part where they said that please give your students along with theoretical knowledge, make them capable of applying the knowledge that they are learning in the classrooms. So applied component was one thing. Then another interesting point I felt was that they mentioned that each department could have its own small alumni association. I think that could be a step towards building our college alumni association, because that could be very interesting and enriching for, in fact, gratifying for us as teachers when we connect with our old students. We will have to put in a lot of initiative and efforts to be able to track them, because usually once they leave the college, we lose them. We'll have to work in that direction. So departmental alumni association was a very interesting input. I think I noted down. So, sir, that is all that I would like to say.
I think, sir, Priya madam, you are rightly said. I think so. Botany and zoology department, they are having their alumni list. Shanta sir, am I right? Hile sir or Shanta sir?
Sir, we are right.
हा, तुमच्याकडे तुमच्या अल्युमिनायची लिस्ट ऑलरेडी तुमच्याकडे आहे.
त्यांच्याबरोबर आहेत. बॉटनी आणि झुऑलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट आम्ही मिळून आमची लिस्ट ठेवतो. मुलांना बोलवतात, गाईड करतात, त्यांना हेल्प करू शकतात, एनकरेज करतात.
सर, मला हिले सरांनी ते सांगितलं होतं की आमच्याकडं आमचे अल्युमिनायची लिस्ट आहे. तर मी आता प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटला मी रिक्वेस्ट करतो की प्रत्येकाने आपली जी अल्युमिनायची लिस्ट आहे ते तुम्ही तयार करा.
सर
म्यूट झाला सर तुमचा.
राठोड सर अनम्यूट करा.
हा, सॉरी, मला वाटतं बॉटनी डिपार्टमेंट, झुलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट आणि मला वाटतं केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट कडे पण असायला पाहिजे. मारू मॅडम?
येस सर, वी हॅव.
अच्छा, यू हॅव ना. ओके. फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट तुम्ही पण बनवा आणि सगळ्या
आमच्याकडे आहे सर, आमच्याकडे पण आहे.
ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट्स टू मेंटेन your departmental alumni list. And suppose if the NAC peer team visit during that, if they ask, show us the list, then you are requested to show the list as well as where they are working, on which post they are holding, as well as year of the students, their mobile number and mail ID. So these are the informations required by each department. I hope arts and commerce department also, they are requested to prepare the alumni list year wise. That could help us for the further development. मला वाटतं आपण आता आपण एंड करूयात, कारण आता मला वाटतं सगळ्यांचा चहाचा टाइम पण झालेला आहे आणि सगळ्यांनी जे काही तुम्ही चांगले फीडबॅक सजेशन दिले, हे फक्त आपल्या इंडिव्हिज्युअल साठी नाहीये, संस्थेसाठी आपण काम करतोय, संस्थेसाठीच करत राहूयात आपण. ठीक आहे, प्रत्येकामध्ये थोडीफार काहीतरी असतील, आपण बसून एकत्र बसून ते जे काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल ते सॉर्ट आउट करू आणि सगळे हँड टू हँड टुगेदर करून. आता तुम्हाला माहित असेलच, साधारणतः 1 ते 1.5 महिन्याच्या अगोदर मी तुम्हाला एक नोटीस पाठवली होती की आपला कोर्स वर्क किंवा काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स किंवा कोर्स वर्क वगैरे असं काही चालू करता येत असेल तर आपण करू असं मी सांगितलं होतं. फक्त मला वाटतं 1-2 डिपार्टमेंटने दिलेलं आहे. इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट हॅज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स इन कोलॅबोरेशन विथ टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, ब्रिटिश काउन्सिल ऑफ, त्याच्यापासून त्यांनी चालू केलेलं आहे. बाकीच्या डिपार्टमेंटनी प्रपोजल दिलेलं आहे, तर प्रत्येकाने जरा बघा कशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला रिसोर्सेस जनरेट करता येईल, फंड जनरेट करता येईल. अजून बघा, जेवढं काही प्रयत्न करता येईल तेवढं आपण करत जाऊयात, जेणेकरून आपल्या कॉलेजचं नाव चांगलं व्हायला पाहिजे. हीच आपण अपेक्षा ठेवतो मी. आणि सगळ्यांना अजून एकदा सगळ्यांचा मनपूर्वक आभारी आहे की तुम्ही लोकांनी दिलेल्या शॉर्ट वेळेमध्ये, मला माहित आहे एक्झामचे पेपर सेटिंग चालू आहेत, एक्झाम कमिटीची एक्झाम, केटीची एक्झाम मला वाटतं आज संपेल, नाही टुमॉरो, उद्या संपणार आहे. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही सगळे, अच्छा प्रिया मॅडम,
completed today, sir. We have completed
Yes.
the KT exam.
आज संध्याकाळी ती एक्झाम संपलेली आहे. परत तुम्हाला नोटीसवरती नोटीस माझे येतातच आहे, पेपर सेटिंग चालू आहे, बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आहेत. पण सॉरी माय फ्रेंड्स, मी काही हेल्प करू शकत नाही, कारण या गोष्टी आपल्याला करायलाच पाहिजे होत्या. खरंच अकॅडमिक ऑडिट पण लॉंग बॅकच व्हायला पाहिजे होतं, म्हणजे जेणेकरून आपण अजून काहीतरी याच्यामध्ये प्रगती करता आली असते आपल्याला. ठीक आहे, वेळ गेलेली नाहीये, तर आपण जितकं जमेल तेवढं प्रत्येकाने सहकार्य करा. मनामध्ये काही असेल तर आपण एकत्र बसूयात, बसून सॉर्ट आउट करूयात, आणि जेणेकरून आपल्याला काही सरांनी सांगितले की 3 सरांनी सांगितले, किंवा आपल्याला पण माहित नाही, प्रत्येकानं रिटायर व्हायचंच आहे. आज मी होईन, उद्या तुम्ही होणार, पुढच्या वर्षी बाकीचे कोणीतरी होतील, पण जाता जाता आपण संस्थेसाठी किंवा कॉलेजसाठी किंवा आपण डिपार्टमेंटसाठी काहीतरी चांगलं करू, असं फक्त प्रत्येकाने निश्चय करा. आणि आजची मीटिंग संपली, मी असं जाहीर करतो. थँक्यू ऑल ऑफ यू.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Thank
Manisha
you, sir.
madam. Thank you for all the Herculean efforts that you would have put in along with
Today
all your
I'm going to
team
sleep.
members.
I'm going to sleep at
Yeah.
8 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
Along-
Thank you IQAC team.
Along with all your members.
Yes, sir.
Thank you IQAC team for sparing their time and sitting whole day in front of the laptop or camera and listening to all the experts. Thank you IQAC
sir.
team.
Shall we answer?
Yes,
Yes,
madam,
Billy.
please.